Today we will learn logo animation. We will bring the PNG files to the timeline. Then we will go Effect Controls and we will resize all the logos. Next, I will nest all the layers. Next, we will go Effects and search Transform. Bring the PNG layers. Then we will animate the PNG layers. Here we will scale from small to large. Watch this effect carefully. When the first keyframe are finished, we will copy and paste the same keyframes. We will make the shutter angles 180 degrees. Now we will copy and paste the same effect on all layers. Then arrange all layers together. Then we'll nest all the layers together so it's easy to move. Then we will customize it with video footage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.